दाखवलेशें तूं चडच मोगाचें चडा पेडांनी सोयल्लें लांबरून वेळाचें पांचवेचा अर्दोवर तुजें बोलाय तूं झाडांनी गोवा तूं आमचें फकत गोंयकाराचें ओ सोबीत सुंदर आमचें गोवा ओ शांतिकायेचें आमचें गोवा धांवोन धांवोन तूं यो आनी मोगान म्हज्या पड धांवोन धांवोन तूं यो आनी मोगान म्हज्या पड
Hi, we're Lynx, and you're watching
Candid with Candida.
हॅलो हाय अँड वेलकम कॅन्डिड विथ कॅन्डिडा ही कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक तुमकां सगल्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार आनी नमस्कार. इश्टानो, हालींच्या काळार जायतीं बेणां जायते म्युजीक जायते कोंकणी कांतारां तुमी व्हडा उमेदीन मांडून घेतलेलीं आसा. जायतीं बेणां जायते आपले नवे नवे कॉम्पोजिशन घेवन येता. अशेंच बँड एक आयज म्हज्या सांगातार आसा. जायते कॉर्पोरेट इव्हेंट्स जायते व्हडले इव्हेंट्स तशे व्हडले शोज ती वाजता. जायतीं जाणांची ती आवडीची जावन गेल्लीं आसा. तांचें नवें कांतार धांवोन धांवोन तूं यो आनी मोगान म्हज्या पड. येस, दे अदर देन द लिंक्स. हाय, हाव यू ऑल? ऑल गुड?
All good.
फिट अँड फायन? धांवोन धांवोन तूं यो अँड
मोगान म्हज्या पड
पडल्या कोण मोगान?
पडत आसताय मोगान
शो चालू आसतना पडटा काय कांतराच्या मोगान पडलें?
कांताराच्या मोगान पडटाय शो आसतनाय नाचताय पडटाय कितें कोत्ताय देव जाण.
Alright, let's have a quick introduction of all you guys, alright? We'll start with Lincoln.
My name is Lincoln and I am the lead guitarist of the band.
Hi, this is Fraser. I am the keyboard player of the band and also the sound engineer of the band. And also I handle the music production of the band.
Hi, I'm Sandy, and I'm the female vocalist of the band.
हाय, हांव एंथनी. हांव बेजिस्ट आनी सिंगर ऑफ द बँड.
Hi, I'm Sid and I'm the drummer for the band.
And together you all are?
Links.
Alright, okay. Straight away, direct question. Links. हे फॉर्म कोणे जाले? केन्ना जाले आनी कित्याक जाले?
Link's story goes back to 1994. None of us here were part of the band.
Alright.
So we came in Fraser, came into the band in 2000 along with the founder members. मागीर in 2004 हांव जॉइन जालो. मागीर सँडी जॉइन जालें 2008 आनी 2012 and आमचो founder Terry Vaz, he passed away. So after that we continued and here we are. Then Lincoln has joined us just 1 year back,
Alright.
and Sid is with us for the past 3 months.
Alright. There was an issue with your drummer.
Yes, our drummer met with an accident in April, and he's recovering.
Alright. Okay, so that's how Links is all together. Okay, with the ups and downs, barabar hazan. Alright, okay. The oldest member, Fraser. Okay, so tell me something like जेन्ना ते band start जालेले or जेन्ना तूं join जालेलो till now.
Yeah.
कितें आसा?
Yes,
Blooming, what it is?
जायते वस्तू चेंज जाल्या आतां आतां म्युजिकूय चेंज जालां. द क्रावड ऑल्सो इज लिटल डिफरंट नाव. लायक there's a lot of Konkani music happening now, which at that time we used to do. When I joined, we used to do a lot of standards, like your whatever, like the ballroom stuff, like your country stuff, and along with the other retro stuff, which still rocks till today, like this thing. So now it is more Konkani oriented, and like a lot of different bands are coming up with original compositions, good songs, and all that. So like people have a lot of choice now. Yeah. So we on our part, like we also have adapted, and we have a lot of compositions to our this thing also, to our repertoire also. And this our recently song what we released also, Dawan Tu Ye, also is well accepted. So we are very happy about it. So we in this coming year and maybe another say 1.5 years time, that there are at least another 6 to 7 originals which will definitely come out from us.
Are they still in the pipeline?
Yeah, the audios and all, everything is ready. It's just that nowadays it's visual, so video is very important. And nowadays like if you are not you don't have videos, like nobody knows. Like when audio is heard, but once your video comes out, like then it is more prominent like this thing. Yeah.
Alright. Down to your, like, you know, सगळ्या कांतारामध्ये if I go to see, like, you know, it's very catchy आणि लोकांक चड मोगान पडलेली आसा down to you. So concept कोणाचो आलो?
Anthony.
Anthony. Heart and soul तुझा. Alright, कित्या लागून चितलें तुवें तें, you know, that step?
चिंतोन म्हणल्यार see, you'll have to go back into my songwriting mode. तें उलोवची न्हू. But that song happened. Early morning म्हाका एक संवय आहा.
Okay.
If I get up early morning, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, jam पडना न्हू. गिटार घेवन बसता.
अरे.
आनी तें वाजयता येयलें. धांवन कोण येयलें तें नॉट हांव बट it started and my wife, बरें मरे song तुगेलें कितें आनी. So, you know, this I wrote in 2024. And then I sent it to Fraser, guitaracher वाजोवन. He liked it. Although there were other songs in the production lineup, he said, no, we have to do this.
Alright.
And that's how it is.
I found that this is more catchy tune. Like I mean, like Dawan to You and Mogan Upod means is like something. It's very teasing kind of a song, like, and like it will catch up. Like it got my attention so soon. So definitely it will be this thing.
What are the views so far?
We just yesterday I think we crossed 1,04,000 cross odd. Yeah, and still going on. So in a day at least 1,500 to 2,000 views are there on its own.
Alright.
Yeah, this thing. Yeah.
Is it something जेन्ना तुमी कांतारां कंपोज करता तेन्ना ट्रेंड आसता पळय तेन्ना तुमी like, you know, those fast numbers, those slow songs तेन्ना घालपा जाय आसता? How it is?
No, exactly. The thing is, because see nowadays, like I mean, we were little this thing on the production for some years due to various issues. Like even I had a health issue or like this thing. So out of that, like a lot of things didn't happen. So as I told you, like we have a lot of songs in the pipeline with the audios are almost completed. So this was one song, like it was prominent at this time. Like I felt like I said to Anthony also, I said this is the right time to release this. Because just last October or something, I think we released another one of ours. That was more like a ballad for like wedding first dance and all, no? So this I thought, like I said, Anthony, let's do something fast. Let's because we would be very happy, and we are very happy that the song is caught up with the youth, because that's the future. Because if the youth likes your songs, like then you have like achieved something. So we are very happy, and every song of ours, especially Anthony is the composer of most of the songs. So like not most, almost all the songs. So he is like there is always a story behind his composition. You know how the song came up and all these things. Like for instance, our one of our well accepted and hit songs, our song is Kedna.
Okay.
Yeah. So that song also there is a story. Yeah. And I don't know for what reason every time he writes in his sleep. so I hope he sleeps well so that he gets us more songs.
My next question was the same. Alright, okay. So to borrow need and my wood and bori composition na kortu. Alright, okay. Sandy, now it will be you who's going to do the talking part.
Okay.
Mr. Log Rawala astolo because singing kota te poila. So let's hear it from you now. Your journey in this band, Links.
I've been very fortunate, to be honest with you. It was a mistake possibly, or maybe it was God sent, that I was an MC for Bondera when Links was playing.
Alright.
And the organizer gave me a choice between two bands, and I happened to choose Links because I love their music, I loved reggae. You know, it resonated with what I like. So I managed to MC for them, and 2 days later, our founder member, Maysol, rest in peace, Terry Bars, calls me up and he asked me, would you like to join the band? We need a girl in the band. And I was like, sure, why not? You know, so that is how I got into Links. And by far, I am very loyal to Links because, you know, when you have job satisfaction, you don't need to look left and right. You just look straight ahead.
Alright, where are the shows that you have been performing? Because I've been going through your bio.
Right.
And there are a lot of things, like, you know, तुम्ही जायते जाग्याचे travel केले आसा, तुमची जायती travel history आसतली. So you all have even played for Bollywood actress or some their wedding parties or something like that. So can you tell us something?
So we've traveled a lot inside India and as well as internationally, GCC countries mostly. And yes, we've the credit to our repertoire, it will be we played for Mahesh Bhupati and Lara Dutt's wedding. We opened for Venga Boys, then cricket as well, you know, like when you have the after parties and stuff. And also for, if I'm not mistaken, Star Plus Sweethearts,
Alright.
Sanya and Mohit Segal. Yeah.
So जायती हा journey.
Yeah.
We opened up even for KK.
KK twice.
Alright.
KK twice. Yeah.
Okay, so if I ask you now, जो तो दाएं तो कोई हिस्सा लेने वाला Konkani, Hindi, English. I know you sing in all the languages, but still, preferred language.
English.
Why so?
Because we speak English at home and it's easy for me to. It's.
But don't you think आता हालीच्या तेव्हार जरी तर if we see like Konkani songs are in trend.
Konkani songs are in trend. I mean, Konkani is my mother tongue, but unfortunately, I have not been born and brought up where I've learnt it. So it's very difficult for me to by heart Konkani. So when I
But
have
you
my,
sing very well.
I sing, and the tab is just there because I need it sometimes. But English is very easy.
Did you always want to be a singer, or was there any other background?
No, I always loved singing. I mean, I started karaoke like when I was like 16, 15.
Alright.
In fact, there's a big story of me and Lynx long back when I was in Dubai, and Lynx came for 3 months to play in a place called Susegad, which is really famous in Dubai. And I was, of course, young and I couldn't make it to see them, so I had to forge my passport copy and take a copy and
You're
get
saying it in
enter.
public, man.
Yeah, but now I'm old enough, so it's okay. And then you had the actual members there, like Connie, Terry, Abigail, Jude. They were there, and I was this young girl just looking at these guys like perform, and I just like one day I want to be like them. Little did I know I would be in the same band.
Alright, it's been how many years?
18.
18.
18 and going strong.
18.
18.
Alright,
18.
all the best for many more years ahead.
Thank you so much.
Alright,
Thank you so
Sid.
much.
Let's hear it from your side. तुका पयली सान बेणा आसपास आयलो, you got a chance, or what it is, or पयली आनी हुंच्या बेणा आलो.
Yeah, पहिले जायते बँडान वाजिला हांवें. Mostly I'm a freelancer drummer for now. कित्याक हांव मोदें शिपार बी वयता on cruise lines. So at सद्या for time being I was available. Lynx gave me a chance, and you know ended up playing
Since you
for them.
accepted the chance.
Yeah.
So now how is it working with Lynx?
It's really good. It's amazing.
बेस्टा सांगता काय सारखे सांगता?
No.
Alright.
This guy, man. This guy is my support system, you know.
Alright. Okay, Lincoln. Let's hear your side. Tell me your story about music.
Right. So I started when I was probably 12. I picked up the guitar on a whim. I actually was not interested in music, but I did pick up the guitar, and the first opportunity I ever got to play was in the choir, as most musicians start out, especially guitarists, I feel. And from there, I made my way up, and I joined my first band, that was Heaven's Touch, which was in 2020, I think so, yeah, 2020. And I was there for a good 3 years, and now I'm over here. It's been crazy.
These people are crazy or they drag you crazy?
Both.
Okay, what are your future plans, Fraser?
I just want to. I was talking to Anthony. Said Anthony, now we are not getting any young. I mean, we don't look old. Yeah. So my this thing I told Anthony. I said, Anthony, this coming few years, maybe 2-3 years, whatever talent is there for us. God has given us so much talent for him, for composing, for me to do the arrangements in the studio, whatever. And we have supportive members. Like, so I said, like, we'll try and give as much as original songs. Whatever happens, see, every song cannot be a hit song, okay? But you must at least try, like this thing. So, like, so he's okay, and he's like, he's always supportive to me also. We both support each other on this front very much, and everything else also. He's like, he guides us all of us. In the
Fraser, I
band,
want you
like.
to explain the tagline which goes Band of the Sand
Okay.
with Lynx.
Yeah. Okay. So that Band of the Sand, in the sense, like in 2006, there was a competition called Sprite Band of the Sand. So the tagline was in the competition itself, Band of the Sand. Yeah. So that like what happened is, like at least 30-35 bands were there, gone bands, like which participated in the competition. So like we were the winners of this thing. And a band from India, band called Parikrama, were the judges for for the competition. So they judged, and like we were chosen winners among the 35 bands which were there. So in that we were given a contract of having an album, a recording album in Bombay. Yeah, and plus they had promised us some videos also, and along with that, so that is where our song, our other hit song Kedna was part of that album.
Alright.
Yeah. Then there is another song which is on the lines of like we have our Shigmos, Carnivals. No, from that we have a song called Gimme Goa, Gimme Fun.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is from that album. So in that album, the Kedna was a hit in that album, and so that time they gave us the tag. Like, I mean, if whichever band would win, they would get that tag. Means band would send, like Goa is known for beautiful.
When was this? Which year?
2006. Yeah. So Goa is known for its nature and whatever. So like they had given that tag like band of the cent. So we got it.
All right.
So we accepted
proud of it now.
Yes, yes, of course, of
You
course.
got the title. Huh?
Yeah,
Did it with pride.
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. Okay. Criticisms. Have you all come across any? Because since you all have said, Links was for a poetry sana ha. Till now, they are flourishing right.
Yeah, criticism is there. I mean, a lot of people also like say like, okay, now like we want to see new talent and this and like we are happy about it. Like new talent has to. We also as like being like good enough. I mean, not good enough. I mean, we are like experienced in this line, so we definitely. For instance, like I'm into a studio this thing where it is recording and all these things are done. So I always support new artists like to come to record or like arrange music and whatever. So like this thing. So for us, sometimes some people feel like new talent is coming like this thing. So the old bands are like not required. It's nothing like that. But the thing, there's an old saying, old is gold and it will always remain gold, never to be sold. Yeah. But we appreciate everybody. We are happy that nowadays so much talent is evolving and there is so much of social media also. Now for instance, see now your platform is helping also a lot of people to know. So it's a good thing. So our time in 2006 and all, I mean there was like MTV and all, so many things, but it was not meant for Goan artists were always behind like this thing. So
Alright.
that competition which we won also helped us a lot. First time in my life I saw a studio in Bombay.
Okay.
So it was like for me it's a big achievement. Yeah,
All
this
right.
thing.
Okay. Sandy, can you tell me if I ask you your favorite artist, like whom you always look up to?
Ooh, undeniably, the queen.
I can
Lorna.
say.
Lorna, there is no way. Anybody who knows me will know that I don't just look up to her, I worship her. I think she has set, set us on the map internationally, locally. There is no wedding without a Lorna song. So undeniably, the queen, Lorna Cordero.
All right. Since it's been 18 years and you are still a part of Links, wishing you many more ahead. But
Thank you
till
so
then, I want you to give a small message for the female vocalist who are, ते तुझ भाषण जापास होता. Like they envy you and they want to be a part of a band. But it's such a case in scenario. Like थोडी वर्षांनी ती मुनशी आमकां दिसती पडो ना, like in those bands.
Right.
But you have been 18 years in Links. So your message for the newcomers.
Well, my message to the newcomers is if you have the will, if you really love singing, I mean, it's part of your everyday breakfast. You wake up singing, you go to sleep singing, you just hum in the car, whatever you do, but you love music, you want to sing, make your dream come true. It's only you who can do that. If I could do it, so can you.
All right, straight from the heart. Anthony, a message from you on behalf of your band to the viewers.
Behalf of the band, thank you for the love and support you have been giving us always, and we'll definitely come with more music in a year ahead. And my dream is even Fraser's dream and all of us, we want to do one concert only on original music.
All right, great.
We don't want to, right now what we are doing is our covers, original music is there, but we are unable to do a full show, although we have the music. So my dream is to do a show on original music, and thank you once again for everything.
But for that you require a good sleep.
Sleep, we have lot of songs. Friza has just told you, it's only the videos. I have more than 40 songs already ready.
Ready?
Yeah,
All right.
they're already ready. So Atmash Neither जाएंगे, but I'll keep on writing.
All right, okay. All the very best to you,
Thank you
Links.
so much.
And before we leave, before we go ahead with some other round, that is rapid fire round, we want a small jam up session with you guys. So are you all ready for it?
Definitely.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, सोबीत सुंदर आमचे गोवा. Oh, शांतिकायेचे आमचे गोवा. माणकुलेशे तू चढाच मोगाचे, चढा पेडांनी सोयले लांबरून वेळाचे. पांचवेचा अर्धमर तुझे बोलाय तू झाडांनी गोवा तू आमचे पोखत गोंयकाराचे. ओ सोबीत सुंदर आमचे गोवा. ओ शांतिकायेचे आमचे गोवा. धांवोन धांवोन तू यो आनी मोगान मजा पड. धांवोन धांवोन तू यो आनी मोगान मजा पड. हांव रावता गो तुका, तूं खंय आसा तें सांग म्हाका. तुका सोदता गो हांव मोजा मोगा, तूंच जाय म्हाका. भियेनाका तूं लजनाका, तूं ना केन्ना जावं तुका. धांवोन धांवोन तूं यो आनी मोगान मजा पड. धांवोन धांवोन तूं यो आनी मोगान मजा पड.
Next one.
तूं खंय आसा कितें करता कांयच म्हाका खबर ना. उतर म्हाका दिवन गेलें म्हजो हुस्को तुका ना. तुजो वर्सिंत जाला गो म्हाका. एक तरी चीट बरोय ना जाल्यार ईमेल धाड गो म्हाका. एक तरी चीट बरोय ना जाल्यार ईमेल धाड गो म्हाका. केन्ना गो केन्ना तूं गो येतलें, हुस्क्यान तुज्या काळीज म्हजें सुकोन गो गेलें. केन्ना गो केन्ना तूं गो येतलें, हुस्क्यान तुज्या काळीज म्हजें सुकोन गो गेलें. मोगा तूं ये आनी गोपान म्हाका घे. 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 ये 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 ये.
तू आणि
हांव आनी तूं
फुडें व्हरया
आमचे मोगाचें तारून.
केदें व्हडलें आयल्या तुफान. सोदांचे कामी आसूं
Last time.
तू आणि
हांव आनी तूं
फुडें व्हरया
आमचे मोगाचें तारून.
केदें व्हडलें
केदें व्हडलें
आयल्या तुफान.
आयल्यार तुफान. केदें व्हडलें आयल्यार तुफान.
सोदांचे कामी आसूं.
All right, Links.
Thank you. Thank you
Hats
so
off.
much.
Thank you so much.
All right. All right, rapid fire round with Amche. Links, are you all ready?
Yes.
All right. First question. Pre-show ritual.
Praise.
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 Okay. Worst nightmare, forgetting lyrics or the mic dies mid-high note.
It depends on who actually is doing what. Now, forgetting lyrics and suddenly the mic dying, it could be
दोन्ही झालं
the vocalist.
दोन्ही झालं.
All right, okay. You get one superpower on stage. What it will be?
Oila flies up a Michael Jackson बिल्कुल सादे से.
If I say perfect pitch or always or never get stage fright. Your superpower.
Never get a
Never
stage
get
fright.
stage
All
fright.
right. Crowd energy, how it is?
Oh, it's contagious.
All right. Your outfit choice. Outfit choice. Look iconic but super uncomfortable. or plan but you can move freely?
Plan, but you can move freely.
I knew you would say that. All right. Okay. One song, encore song. The crowd favorite or the one you love the most? Which one you all will go for?
The crowd favorite.
Crowd favorite.
Okay. Post show, what you all do?
We hug each other. That a job well done. Then we eat and then we, we're together.
All right. Sid, if you mess up,
Play something else. Play something else, cover it up.
okay. One thing you would ban from a live shows.
Pyrotechnics, those, yeah.
All right. Okay. Now choose text or calls. Text or calls.
Depending who's calling me.
Okay. Lincoln, go to karaoke song when you're forced to pick.
I will survive.
You have 3 hours free. What would you do? All of you. Start from Sid.
Practice, take classes. Drums.
Anthony,
Sleep so I get the song.
Sandy,
Eat, drink and sleep.
Pray that Anthony sleeps.
Lincoln.
Pray that Fraser plays, Anthony sleeps.
Most used emoji on your keyboard right now.
Heart.
Okay. Your brains runs better on.
After eating.
Last thing you googled without thinking.
Some kind of lyric.
Some kind.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. This or that. Practice day or night.
Night.
Stage. Big crowd or small crowd.
Both.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't
Both.
matter.
All right. Okay. Songs. Fast or slow.
Both.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Now tell me something. Your two bus or van. How does it smell? Or your car.
Expensive perfumes. Very expensive perfumes.
Is it?
We all are into perfumes now. Thanks to Sandy.
All right. Okay. Your set list. Old songs or new ones.
Mix.
Sound. Loud or clean.
Clean, definitely.
After show. Food or sleep.
Food
Write music together or alone.
depends.
Depends.
You write and your wife listens, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Late to practice. Drummer or the singer.
Singer. Because the drummer has to come before that because he has to set up his drums. Otherwise, there's no practice. So the singer would possibly be late.
Okay. Break a string. Mid solo or mid tune up. When does it happen?
This you answer.
No. I have experienced mostly mid solos. Tune up, nothing goes wrong.
Never broken a string with links. Touch wood.
Okay. Your fan gift. Was it a weird drawing or something else?
Something else.
Oh, you don't want to disclose it?
Oh, all these are all our gifts.
Oh wow.
People ask me why I have them. It's all given to me. Even the
Wow,
bracelets.
nice.
Yes.
Thanks for the fans, man. All right, okay. How is the sound check? How does it be?
In which way?
Any way you want to explain it?
Well, if the stage is not ready, it's tedious. You wait longer. But if the stage is ready, it's awesome. You just come there, do your job, and wait for your time to begin.
All right, verse to forget. Your lyrics or your pants?
Pants.
Bass player, actually there or he said he's on his way?
Actually there. Actually.
Okay, encore. One more song or we are done. Please leave. What would you choose?
One more
One
song.
more song.
All right, okay. Well done, man. Well played. All right, now we are going ahead with the last round. All right, Links, are you all ready? Yes. Sid, are you ready? Okay, 10 seconds for each play card, okay? Take one. And your time starts now. All song. 10 seconds.
Harpata.
Yes, all right, next one. तो ही गोपा आपका नाम है 10 seconds.
Go on, female singer. Queen.
Lorna.
All right. Okay. Ten seconds.
I can't help you there.
Sangai re.
No, we couldn't get it. We couldn't give you a clue.
तू कटा कितना है?
Zotta, Ari Baba.
Zotta.
Last one,
Oi,
jealousy, man.
Uzong.
damn.
My uzong ulo mo to kay.
All right, next one.
तुझ भाषी से.
Pregnant?
All right.
किधर है?
Useless.
पचपचीत म्हणून
Useless. In Konkani. Useless.
कोंकणीन
पचपचीत
पचपचीत
No.
Right, okay.
It is our brand. We are the
लिंक्स
a kind of wildcat. A kind of wildcat. The no.
टायगर
मास चुकलो तू.
रॅली म्हणून सांग बरं आमका.
Right, okay.
Political parties fighting one another for every damn reason. They keep on fighting.
एव्हरी डे
तू बरा बरे
आयचं नाव वाचिक.
I'm giving him the right clues.
बरा बरे
Okay.
In English. What is this?
हार्ट
ना ओले हाते
All right, okay. I think it's going to be difficult for you all. Huh?
I know. They're giving the best clues.
जायत अशकोन पोक बी हायला जातले पोक
Your stomach always.
आम शिलाँग गेलो तेदोन जातले
म्हाका
Oh, yeah.
where we were going in the
It's all-
every day.
All right, I think this is the last one.
झाले काय बस
Read it.
दादू
जादू मध्ये हे टँक कोण हा टँक कोण ना
तू कोटा.
कित बोरेला
Read.
जादू की
जादू की जप्पी अरे वा
Now it will be reversed. Okay, let's see how smart are you all.
आणि अनुला
Now they have to. Now we have to.
All right.
Born ready.
Sandy.
Michael Jackson. Let's
Susu.
see. Toilet. Loo. Crap.
Washroom.
Shit.
नंबर 2
Kaka.
You said it earlier.
You
So
said
then you
it,
didn't say-
toilet,
So
yeah.
then say
Wait a
it.
minute.
We should both the things. I said this, you said that.
All right. Next one. You don't look it.
Already saw income
Money,
tax.
distribution.
ना ना हे दुसरें
It's ulta.
हा हे
कितें पुलीस इनका
Police income.
Right.
रेडू
रेडू
सीबीआय
Say ED, no.
सीबीआय
All
म्हणून
right.
ओके
सौरभ
ना 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 स्वरूप नो
गॅस
Okay.
Come on, Fraser.
Ready?
आता फ्लॅश मारता येते
हाँ चिंट
Flash to. Flash to. Okay.
आय देवा मुझग बँड कित कोता
Hold it proper.
Play.
कोकणी
कोंकणीन
वाजवायता.
Correct.
I said it.
ता काट तिथून.
हाँ ता
All right.
Shy.
सगळे पद मुगो तू
Nervous. Shy.
ना ना कोणाक चोयला मातशे
Giggling.
चेडवा बेंड
मुरगोटो.
चोयला
Dello na de. Murgotta. Oh, bora.
मातशें इंग्लीश शिकवतो
Again.
सँडी केन्ना घातते
कोट
ना 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 ते गिटारिस्ट वाजयताय चोय बीबी किंग पूण हें घालपाचें
Shawl.
नो ब्लाउज ब्लूज
So Sandy girls and all the girls don't wear. Only Sandy wears blouse.
All right. Last but not the least.
Alrighty. Push-ups. Sit-ups.
No, no.
Exercise.
त्याच्या मरे ते
Konkani.
टेन्शन नाही बिकट टाइम नाही
Konkani.
You do that thing when with
कोंकणी
punishment.
ड्रेस कोण कोत्ताय
कित म्हणटा रे?
Punishment.
कोणकोटी है
उठा पुढच्या रे.
Uta box you.
उठा पुष्ट बट वॉज इट करेक्ट व्हाट आई
Stop it, Sandy. It's enough.
हा उठ बॉस
डिड बट व्हाट आई
Okay.
डिड वाज करेक्ट दिस एक्शन
Oh, action जागे तू translate करू ना ते. All right, it's time to say goodbye. Adios. तुमकां सगल्यांक आख्खी टीम एक इनफॅक्ट काल जनतान देव बरें करूं कित्याक तुमी हांगासर आयली तुमचो मोलादीक वेळ आमकां दिलो म्हूण थँक्यू सो मच थँक्यू आमचे विनर्स सो सिड दिस इज फॉर यू अँड एंटनी
थँक यू
This is a small token of appreciation from the team Prudent. तुमकां सगल्यांक काळजांतल्यान परत एक फावट देव बरें करूं म्हणटा ती जावन आसली लिंक्स ह्या फुडें अशीच आनीक जायती बँडां येतली अशेंच आनीक जायते कलाकार येतले तेन्ना पासून पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर कॅन्डिड
With Candida.
And before we leave, our signature style. Dawon तू यो आणि मगन मजा पड. All right, thank you so much. Thank you.
माकुलेशें तूं
थँक्यू सो मच
चडच मोगाचे झाडा पेडांनी सोयले लांबरून वेळाचे पांचवेचार दोंगर तुझे बोलाय तूं झाडांनी गोवा तूं आमचे पोखत गोंयकारांचे ओ सोबीत सुंदर आमचे